Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to cash out Coinbase account. For that you need to launch your Coinbase mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. On the home page you are going to see this cash out button, so you simply need to click on cash out and then you will be landed on the next page where in the top you are going to see your available balance. So here in this section you will have to enter the amount that you want to cash out. If you want to cash out all of your money, then you need to press this max button and it will take the amount from your available balance. Then you will have to select the bank in which you are going to transfer your money. Then it will show you how much fees you need to pay if you are making the instant transfers. Then you will have to press the preview cash out button in the bottom and then you will be landed on this confirmation page. Now over here you need to review the information that you have mentioned previously, and if everything is correct you will have to press this cash out now button. Afterwards it will say that they have sent you a 7-digit code on your registered mobile number, so you will have to open that phone number that you have linked with Coinbase account. From there you just have to copy the 7-digit code and you simply need to paste it over here. After that you will be landed on the final, which will say that we have sent an email to this email address and the fund may be automatically deposited in your account. So this is how you can easily cash out on Coinbase. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.